Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take collagen peptides. Start by understanding that collagen peptides are a fantastic addition to your daily routine, supporting skin, hair, and joint health. Most people find that a daily dose of 10 to 20 grams is effective. You can easily incorporate this into your diet by mixing the powder into your morning coffee, a smoothie, or even just a glass of water. It dissolves well in both hot and cold beverages, making it super convenient. There's no single best time to take collagen peptides. Consistency is key. Many prefer it in the morning, but you can take it with or without food, whenever it fits your schedule. Try stirring it into your morning coffee or tea, blending it into a fruit smoothie, or even mixing it into your oatmeal. Unflavored varieties are excellent for adding to almost any food or drink without altering the taste, giving you maximum flexibility. To truly experience the benefits of collagen peptides, consistency is paramount. Make it a daily habit, and over several weeks, you might notice improvements in your skin's hydration and elasticity, stronger nails, and more comfortable joints. When choosing a product, opt for hydrolyzed collagen, as this form is broken down into smaller peptides, making it easier for your body to absorb and utilize effectively. For best results, don't be afraid to experiment with different brands and types of collagen to find what works best for you. Some people prefer bovine, while others opt for marine collagen. Always store your collagen peptides in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to ensure its potency and shelf life. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to unwind and read anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.